Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the PrizePicks not loading if the app won't open or stays blank. First, make sure your internet connection is working. Open YouTube or any other website to test it. If it does not work, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then, swipe off from the bottom of your screen, look for PrizePicks and then find PrizePicks and swipe it away to close it completely. Wait for a few hours and reopen it. Then turn your phone off, wait for 10 seconds, turn it back on and open PrizePicks again. This clears temporary system errors. Then head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search PrizePicks and tap Update if available. If it's still not loading, uninstall PrizePicks, then install it again. That's how to fix the PrizePicks not loading. Subscribe for more quick fixes.